Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. Have you ever experienced the terrifying moment when your iPhone suddenly goes completely black and crashes? Don't worry, today I will guide you on how to solve this problem. Before starting the repair, it is crucial to determine the specific cause of the iPhone black screen crash. This issue may be due to hardware failure, such as a severe drop or battery connection problem, or it could be a software failure, possibly caused by update issues or defective apps leading to a system crash. Rest assured, let's start solving the problem now. Method 1. Check the iPhone hardware. Ensure the phone is not completely out of power, connect it to a charger and wait a few minutes. Sometimes the phone just needs a bit of charge to function properly. Next, check for any physical damage. If you have recently dropped the phone, professional help may be needed. If there is no physical damage, it might be a software issue, and you can try the following methods. Method 2. Force restart the iPhone. If charging is unsuccessful, try a hard reset. First, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and finally hold down the power button until the Apple logo appears. If successful, congratulations on solving the problem. If unsuccessful, don't worry, we are just getting started. Method 3. Using Apple device to restore. First, connect your iPhone to a computer and enter recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until you enter recovery mode. Then open the Apple device and follow the prompts to choose Restore or Update. If you do not want to upgrade the system, it is recommended to choose Restore. However, note that both options will erase data and are very slow, so please use this method with caution. For this reason, I strongly recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair. Method 4. Use UltFone iOS System Repair to repair iPhone. This is a software that allows users to solve over 150 iOS issues without deleting data. To use UltFone, you need to download and install the software on your computer, with the link provided below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer, then enter recovery mode by quickly pressing the volume up button, followed by the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until the recovery screen appears. Open UltFone and click the Start Repair button. Choose Standard Repair to fix system issues without deleting data. The software will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware. Wait for the download process, and once it is completed, click Start Repair. This process may take about 10 minutes. Once the repair is finished, your iPhone will be restored to its original state and can be used normally. I hope the tips in this video help with your iPhone black screen issue. I would really appreciate it if you could like this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive iPhone tips. See you in the next video.